Happy New Year. Well, welcome to the Real Estate Wisdom Podcast, episode number 18, where we reflect on the Canadian real estate market for 2023 and look ahead to 2024. I'm your host, Vishal Kapoor. As we bid farewell to 2023, let's dive into the key aspects that shaped the market this past year and explore what the future holds. One of the most pressing issues has been housing affordability. In 2023, we saw that only 45% of households could afford a regular condo apartment, a significant drop from 60% in 2019. The affordability challenge was particularly acute in cities like Vancouver, Victoria, and Toronto, where owning a home has become increasingly difficult. Now, let's look into the trends. The market has showing resilience despite economic challenges. The benchmark price for single-family homes and townhouses, row townhouses, multiplexes saw modest year-over-year increase. Yes, surprising, isn't it? However, the sales to listing ratio indicated a balanced market nationally. The market experienced a shift towards a stabilization, with the SNLR standing at 49.8%, suggesting equilibrium between buyer demand and supply. The big talk was about government policies. Government policies have been a hot topic, with many promises made to address the housing crisis. However, there's skepticism about the effectiveness of these policies in making housing more affordable in absolute terms. We also have seen the regional differences. Regionally, we observed diverse market conditions. For instance, Metro Vancouver is expected to see a price growth of 2%, while Halifax experienced inflated real estate price due to interprovincial migration. Yes, a lot of those migrations are happening. The regional rental market also varied, with key markets in Quebec, Ontario, BC, Alberta, Toronto, Montreal, Ottawa, and Calgary showing different growth patterns. They all vary from one area to other. So, what are the predictions for 2024? Looking ahead to 2024, we anticipate a pivotal year of the Canadian housing market. Some forecasters expect a potential decrease in housing prices, leading to more balanced market conditions. However, average prices are predicted to grow by 5.5% year over year. With regional disparities, the Bank of Canada's interest rate decisions will continue to influence the market. High borrowing cost may subdue home buying in the first half of the year, but a decline in fixed mortgage rates could incentivize buyers, especially investors. Supply is expected to grow, but not to the extent that sellers will list en masse. A fresh crop of homeowners' mortgage terms are set to expire, but forced sales are not anticipated. The outlook for capital availability in 2024 is cautious, with a higher number of survey respondents expecting various types of debt and equity capital to be more difficult to obtain. Here's an opportunity. Despite market challenges, there are still opportunities, particularly in industrial properties, manufacturing, and warehousing segments. So what's the predictions for the Canadian real estate market in 2024? Housing starts and new constructions for 2024. New housing starts in Canada are projected to drop to 188,000, which is a significant decrease from previous years. This slowdown in new construction is occurring amidst of a period of significant population growth, which could exacerbate the demand for housing. The construction activity in Canada is expected to remain steady at the start of 2024, but challenges such as high interest rates may delay new developments. The condominium market is expected to see some changes in 2024. Nationally, condominium prices are forecasted to increase by 5% year over year in the fourth quarter of 2024. Yes, still we have some time. However, the condo market is on track to soften the most, with activity expected to deteriorate further in the first half of 2024. Amid elevated interest rates and as supply floods the market, CIBC economists suggest that condo sales and prices will see the most significant damage going forward, with sales expected to fall between 10% and 15% by the quarter of 2024. First quarter, I mean. Well, regionally, there will be variations in the real estate market. For instance, Calgary is predicted to lead major markets with an 8% increase in home prices. In Greater Vancouver, the median price of a condominium is forecast to increase by 4% to $795,808, I will say, by the fourth quarter in 2024. Despite the challenges, the Canadian real estate market remains a promising story due to resilience. The market has shown an ability to withstand economic pressures and maintain growth in specific segments. Stabilization. There's optimism that 2024 will bring more stability to the housing market, with the declining mortgage rates contributing to mostly flat home prices throughout the year. What's the investment perception? Well, Canadians still perceive real estate as a good investment, and this sentiment has not shifted significantly. Economic growth. There's a projection of flat economic growth in 2024, with momentum possibly picking up later in the year. Overall market trends, despite the challenges and the expected softening of the condo market, the Canadian's real estate market is still seen as a promising area for growth and investment. The market resilience and potential shifts in monetary policy could create a robust year for Canadian real estate. As we move into 2024, it is important for investors and homebuyers to stay informed about the trends and predictions in the real estate market, especially concerning new constructions and the condo market, to make strategic decisions. Real estate is all about making strategic decisions. As we welcome the new year 2024, let's remain optimistic about the Canadian real estate market. It's a market that has proven its resilience and continues to offer opportunities for growth and investment. We wish you all a happy new year and a prosperous 2024 in all your real estate endeavors. Keep watching us, keep commenting, do like and subscribe. We are on Spotify, we are on Apple Podcast, and follow us on YouTube channel as well. Your support is really important to us, and that's what makes us grow and bring more content related to real estate to you. In coming weeks, we're going to have some more industry professional joining us and giving some insight for real estate wisdom. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.